Taking advantage of compound interest is one of the golden rules of money and finances. But what is it exactly? Basically, it's the snowball effect that happens with money and earning interest, or how interest makes money grow exponentially over time. If you put money into a savings account or investment that earns interest, in the beginning, interest is calculated on the initial amount you started with. But as that money starts to earn interest, you continue to earn interest not only that initial amount, but you begin to earn additional interest on the interest you've already made. And as the total amount of interest earned grows, the more interest you continue to earn, hence the snowball effect. Let's look at an example using real numbers. Let's say you saved up to $1,000 and put it into a savings account or investment that paid 5% interest. That means you would make $50 in interest to add to your savings. If you leave that $1,050 over the next year, your $1,050 will earn 5%, or another $52.50. Your initial $1,000 made another $50 in interest. However, that $50 in interest from the first year has now earned 5% as well. Now, granted, these interest amounts are moderate, but that's because we're looking at the very first years of an investment, where the least amount of compounding is happening. The snowball is just getting started. If you saved and added an extra $50 per month to that initial $1,000 for 40 years, you would have $83,659.43. But the total amount you actually deposited would only be $25,000. That extra $58,659.43 is all from compound interest, so you're more than tripling your money. The key with compounding, though, is to start early, because it's not the first years where you earn a lot, but the later years. But the earlier you start, the more years you can take advantage of. There are many compound interest calculators online that you can experiment with to see just how significant the results can be. While many Canadians know that they should be saving money, about 50% live paycheck to paycheck. This is where someone spends all or most of their income on their expenses and daily living, with little to none left over. Here are some tips to help you have money to put towards savings. 1. Pay yourself first. Take some money from every paycheck and put it in savings before you have a chance to spend it or put it towards anything else. Many employers can help you set this up to be done automatically. 2. Set a savings goal. Choose an amount and time period and work hard to achieve it. Break it down into smaller chunks of money and time so that you know how much you need to save each week or month, for example. 3. Actually reward yourself when you reach your savings goal. This will help with motivation to continue saving in the future. 4. Use a budget and track your spending. This will help you better control your spending and help you identify any spending areas which can be adjusted or cut back to save more. The big thing to remember here is that saving money is important, even if it's just a little amount regularly, because those little amounts can grow to a huge amount over time, especially if you start early and take advantage of the magic of compounding.